Hey guys, welcome back. I hope that you're having a good start to your week. This is Ranita here. If you're new here, remember to subscribe and to turn your notification buttons on. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the look. Just a reminder that the Wahala giveaway is still going on, so you can, participate by subscribing and commenting on my unboxing video. It is international and it is going to be going on until the 20th of December, so there's plenty of time to take part in it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends who you think might be interested in winning these items. Today I decided to go into my Wahala 2 palette collection. I really wanted to use this to create some looks, and this is the first one. So you can see that it is mainly blues. I thought it would fit in with Monday blues. These are mine. So far, I've actually been very pleased with the results. You can see what my eyes look like. I've only used about 5 to 6 shades to create this look. There were certain shades that really blew my mind. I'm so excited for you to see them. I noticed that with some of the pigmentation, I really didn't need that much to create the boldness. I think that was the main shade over here, this blue that you can see. I tried one of their lip glosses for the very first time, which is the Petty Betty one from the Wahala 2 collection. It's a mini lip gloss. And upon initially opening it, I noticed that it was very, very thick. You can see that right there. It's got a very thick consistency. But when you actually apply it to your mouth, it kind of just settles down. It isn't sticky. I thought it was going to be sticky, but it's really not. So yeah, it feels more like it's moisturizing my mouth right now, and I'm just letting it sit there and chill. And as promised, I used a couple of items from my Juvia's Place haul. I used my shade stick, the lip liner, and I also used Juvia's Place's setting powder. It made such a big difference to the makeup. Oh, I feel like I've been missing out on something for the longest time, and now that I've tried this, I know what I've been doing wrong. Yeah, I would say that this is a game changer for me. Today I want to thank because she's always commenting on my videos and encouraging me. You've also given me some interesting ideas to try out, which I haven't gotten around to yet because I have so many different things that I want to try, but I am going to get around to them eventually. So thank you so much, because whenever you do that, it really encourages me. And now I'd like to show you how to make this look. So let's get started. Today you're obviously going to need the Wahala 2 palette. When I initially saw this palette, I think the highlight for me was really the turquoises and the blues, which are these 3 columns over here. They're really, really pretty. So I have prepped my eyes. There's just a bit of creasing over here. I'm just going to go in with my foundation brush. I'm just going to smoothen all of this. I'm going to go in next with Egg Balmy, which is a dark turquoise, which is on the top. You can see that color, and I'm gonna put it just slightly on the top here because I want to blend these 2 colors in. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. I don't think I have the shade in any of my other palettes. Now I'm just taking a brush and I'm just blending these 2 colors in a bit together just to make it a bit neater. Don't want these to be messy. And the same thing over here. Just blending that in as much as I can. So this is okay for starters, and now I'm gonna go back in and do my cut crease. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh wow, guys, can you see this? It's so shiny. It's very, very sparkly. I actually kind of wish now that I had put like a base for dope before putting it on my eyes. Oh, it is giving me a very, very vibrant blue though on my eyes. This is completely different to any of the shades that I've seen in my other Juvia Place palette. So this is very exciting. It actually reminds me of that butterfly from South America, the one with the really beautiful blue wings. Oh yeah. Wow. I love this shade. It is just, oh, it's just stunning. So now I'm going in on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just fill in that cut crease that I have made for myself. Yeah, I feel like my eyes are gonna look like butterfly wings by the time I finish this look. It is so pretty. This is probably one of the prettiest blues I have ever seen from Juvia's Place. This is just so pretty. Oh my goodness, just wow. It's such a fascinating kind of pigment. It even feels different on my eyes. I'm not really sure how to explain to you how it feels different. It really doesn't feel like the normal pigments that you put on your eyes. So now I think I'm gonna go in with Dream, which is a really, really bright blue. It's very similar. It looks a bit similar to what I've seen in the Afrique palette, but it looks maybe slightly brighter. So I'm going in with that. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely brighter than the Afrique palette. So I went ahead and I applied Dream to the rest of my eye. I would say that it was not as difficult using Dream to get this vibrancy of color. It was pretty pigmented. I remember when I actually had to use, you know, that color from the Afrique palette to get this vibrancy. I really had to keep dipping in, and I remember saying I wasn't too happy about that, but this is working really, really well. So now I'm going in for the first duochrome, which is Money. So I can see that it's a very pretty shimmer. I don't know if it's changing, if you can see it changing color. It looks kind of like a nice pretty turquoise. And I'm just gonna go in and blend a bit more. And now I'm going in with some of Shakara, which is a pretty little shimmery white, and I just want to put some of that over there just to kind of highlight my eyes a bit. So when you're doing your eyeliner, if you feel that there are pieces of eyeshadow getting stuck to the liner and you don't want this going into the pot, just keep a tissue nearby so that you can just keep cleaning off your brush. It makes a big difference, and it actually keeps the liner clean. So I'm just going in with my shade stick, which I told you I was going to use. I'm just going to put a bit of that here on top just to give a bit more of that shaded effect to my skin. And I'm just going to go in and blend with my beauty blender. Now I'm going in with Bella, which is, you know, one of their blushes, which is this blush over here. Taking some of that, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. And of course the setting powder, which now I'm going to be putting onto my under eyes. I added a little bit just now, but I just think I'm gonna add a teeny tiny bit more to set my makeup. So I'm putting it here, right underneath my eyes. I hope you can see, and I'm taking care to not go into the eyeshadow area. And now I'm going to go in with my new liner, which is Love Me. I'm going to top that off with a lip gloss. very thick, heavy lip gloss. But it feels very nice on the skin. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that, after seeing the video, you saw the potential of the Wahala 2 palette. I will definitely be creating a lot more looks for you guys over the next few weeks. And I will also be showing you swatches of the Wahala 2 so that you can get a better idea of what all of these colors actually look like on your skin. So you can look forward to that, and I'll see you very soon for the next video.